Hello, little bird. Who are you? Is this your yard now? Yeah? Yeah, sometimes I come in the yard and he's in my chicken's pen, which is all closed up now because I made him this little hut. It's a paw hut for them to stay in, safe from the predators in the sky, the eagles and the hawks. But I'll come out here and feed them in the yard, and evidently I've been feeding the forest animals. There's a squirrel in the forest over there next door. It's not really a forest, but we call it that. We're in the middle of a fishing village. But this little guy keeps chasing everybody off. The squirrels. And he's pretty close to me. I'm here, and he or she is over there. But that looks like a red-breasted robin to me. Or is it a thatcher? I don't know. See, another little bird has come down over there, and it's going to go chase it off. But it comes really close to me. See? There's a little bird over there, and it's going to go chase it off. Watch. See? Watch what happens. It made its presence be known. I almost feel like I should give it a name. What would you name it?